My name's Alex. I was a nationally ranked squash player, captain of a team in college, and my exercise and fitness level has always been extremely high. I've been a surfer and a yoga practitioner, and recently I rode a motorcycle around Bali for several months, which completely tweaked my shoulder and arm, and then a surf injury, which I think tore my trapezius a little bit. And after 3 days of Fit Align, I'm now standing straighter. My right hand shoulder was collapsed from playing squash hours a day. And now after just 3 days, my alignment is a lot better. I have much better motion in my shoulder and much less pain. And I notice now that I'm standing up straighter, I'm taller, and my range of mobility and ability to go out and surf is completely transformed after just a few days of this breathing practice, reprogramming, and improved alignment.